If you're trying to fix or track your finances, chances are the last thing you need is another huge expense for a budgeting app, especially if the app's also confusing and feels like a chore. That's what Quicken Simplifi promises to do differently, to stand tall among the best budgeting apps with no overpriced subscriptions, no complicated UIs, and by actually being useful. All that sound too good to be true? Well, let's find out together if it is in my Quicken Simplifi review. But first, what is Quicken Simplifi? It's basically a paid personal finance app that connects all your accounts into one place, like your bank accounts, cards, loans, and even investments. Instead of you having to type everything in like it's 2005, it just pulls the data automatically and builds your financial picture in the background. For me, the number one reason this app stood out is the Quicken Simplifi subscription. Compared to a lot of tools in the best budgeting app space, it's cheaper while still giving you the full functionality that other apps only promise. And that Quicken Simplifi subscription can be even cheaper if you use my discount link in the description or scan the on-screen QR code. Next up in my Quicken Simplifi review, let's talk setup. It's actually really simple. You create an account, connect your financial stuff, and you're done. It can take as little as just a few minutes or up to maybe 20 if you have a lot going on. After that, the manual labor is done. Quicken Simplifi will automatically keep your expense tracking up to date. Now this is where things get interesting, because most apps just show you what already happened, like, cool, I've overspent, thanks for the reminder. But Simplifi tries to flip that on its head by showing you what's about to happen, like your clairvoyant financial advisor. The app builds your spending plan by looking at your income, bills, subscriptions, savings goals, and upcoming payments, and then tells you what you can actually spend right now without screwing yourself later. This works by analyzing your linked account history and identifying recurring patterns like monthly insurance payments. Imagine you make $4,500 this month. It subtracts rent, bills, food, savings, all that, and then it also remembers that the insurance payment is hitting next week. It's not fooling you into thinking you're rich today. Instead, you get a realistic number, and that alone has made a big difference for my personal finances. It really helps me prevent overdrafts, panic transfers, or realizing too late that payday is still days away. If that sounds like the app that you've been looking for, my discount deals are in the description. Then there are subscriptions and bills. And this part spoke to me personally because look, apparently the average American has like 12 active subscriptions at one time, and I'm definitely above that, way above. Simplifi scans for recurring charges like Netflix, Spotify, or that random gym that you forgot about, and it groups them so that you can actually see where your money is quietly leaking. And yeah, one small change might feel like nothing, but stack a few subscriptions you forgot about together, and you're suddenly saving real money. I love that this feature is less about budgeting and more about awareness, which is a huge value add for any money management app. And that it allows me to cancel those subscriptions that quietly raised their prices 3 times last year. You know the ones. Simplifi also has watch lists. They're kind of like custom focus zones. So instead of budgeting everything, you pick categories where you tend to overspend, like fancy restaurants or Amazon. I mean, we've all been there, right? Anyway, QuickBooks Simplifi just keeps an eye on them, which makes expense tracking feel less overwhelming and more targeted. And those alerts can really help you take a break from your spending spree, at least it did for me. If you want to give it a shot, Quicken Simplifi discounts are down below in the description. You also get goals. Pretty standard stuff like saving for a trip or paying off debt. Nothing crazy, but it works. And it also lets you track your progress visually, which is really nice. What I also love about this app is that if your situation changes, like you start a side hustle, the app can scale with you. Basically, if you run a business, you can upgrade to get access to business features on the same account. And that's something that not every best budgeting app handles well. Now, when it comes to the app itself, in terms of usability, Quicken Simplifi feels modern and responsive. It works on web and on both iPhone and Android phones, so you can sync wherever you are. Simply put, the thing just didn't annoy me like 95% of other budgeting apps do. And I'm confident that even a beginner will be able to manage their finances here. One last thing to cover, security-wise, Quicken Simplifi uses encrypted connections like most other apps in this space. And since it's a paid Quicken Simplifi subscription, it's not trying to spam you with ads. Just don't forget to always use strong passwords and a password manager for these types of apps. So all that's great, and honestly, the only con I can think of is that for some, the fact that there's no free forever plan might be a downside, but that's it. Okay, my final thoughts. Quicken Simplifi makes budgeting for beginners easy. If you're tired of apps that are expensive, complicated, and only tell you bad news after the fact, then this app is for you. Focused on automation, simplicity, and actually helping you think ahead, Quicken Simplifi is what good personal finance tools should do. So if you want to check out current deals or test it for yourself, hit the link in the description and see if it fits with your life. And hey, thanks for watching this video all the way to the end. I hope my review helped you decide whether Quicken Simplifi is right for you. If you want to see me review more apps in the future, do leave a comment down below. Okay, that's it for today. See you later.